Okay. What's up, TZ gang? It's TJ.
It's Naia Grace.
And today we back with another freaking video. Today we're doing what?
A cooking video.
With T and Z gang.
A baking video.
A baking video.
With
TJ.
And
Zanaia Grace. But first I just want to say, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you can get notified whenever me and T and Z gang post. And we're telling a friend to tell a friend that we're back.
How you gonna steal my line?
I'm just saying.
Tell a friend we're back.
And thank y'all so much for 38 subscribers. Make sure y'all like it up. Make sure you tell a friend and tell your mama, your poo-poo, Kiki, whoever you are, to subscribe and to support. Make sure y'all get us to 60 or 70 subscribers. Make sure y'all like it up and comment and share. Do whatever you can to support T and Z gang, because we're almost there, dog. We almost there, y'all. We almost there.
Calm down.
Okay, but we're gonna come back.
We're gonna see how whenever we get in the house. We're gonna just start right then and there. It might start a little late. I might get this vlog a little late tonight because I don't have one recipe. I'm in the bathroom, as y'all can see, but I was trying to tell y'all that we're about to start baking. But before we do, it is loud in there, so I might have to mute the sound so it won't get copyrighted because somebody's playing music in the background and blasting it. Make sure you guys also like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you get notified whenever we post. And excuse I'm in a bonnet also, I just got done washing my hair, so I had to come in a quiet space and tell y'all that. On to the video, let's go. Okay, I'm back with a different filter, but don't mind my shirt, you know, it's not about me, it's about the video. But y'all know how TJ got me yesterday with the cheat prank? Oh, I cheated. I'm gonna get her back. I was trying to wait a couple of days to get her back, but since something is already going on, I feel like, why not? So, make sure y'all comment down below. Team Naia, duh. Because it's always been that. Always gave that. Never gave Team TJ. Y'all going down. So, I'm let you know I'm gonna prank her after the cooking video, so it won't seem too obvious. We're gonna have like a little chat with y'all. So, if y'all haven't noticed, I'm not wearing my ring right now because we've been in the house all day and clearly my hand's been everywhere. So, I'm not wearing my ring. But I'm just gonna tell her like I don't want to be with you no more and I don't want to be your fiance anymore. I'm done. Go back. I want you to go back home. So, make sure you guys get this vlog out. Team Naia. And next thing y'all see, cooking video. Okay, y'all. We're making sweet potato cheesecake. I got my potato right here. Y'all go see. Let me get the pot to boil them. I have to boil it for like an hour or something until they get soft. Let it fill up, y'all. We're gonna fill it up and then it's gonna boil it. Okay, we can put this in the pot and let it boil until it gets soft. Look like. So like I said, we're gonna wait till it gets softened and then that's when we come back. Okay, y'all. So basically, we're still waiting for it to boil. It has been like 10-15 minutes. The water was too high, so I poured some out. So it's like, you know, it's not high, it's like medium. So I'm just gonna talk to you guys while, you know, the potatoes are boiling. It might actually take me till midnight to finish this. Pretty sure it's 10 something, right? Okay. Yeah. So, you want to talk to them about how your life is going?
My life is...
Come closer.
My life is...
Ashy. No, it's fine.
My life is hard right now. I don't know what to say. Just... It's hard and I don't know. I don't know. Just done. I don't know what else to say, but...
Why are you done?
Just because I'm done with everything and...
I feel like it's a bad angle, but go ahead.
But, yeah.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell TNT Gang? Well, y'all, I have a confession to make. As y'all want to know the truth, I'm going to let y'all in on the truth, the real truth about TNT Gang. I'm laughing, but, you know, it's a serious conversation, so let me stop laughing, right? But that was a bug crawling on me. It's not. We can't hide it anymore, TNT Gang. You want to tell them?
Tell them what?
We're breaking up.
Okay.
You know, we're not lying to them. We're being straightforward with them. Remember I told you that? We decided that earlier, right?
No, I didn't decide anything.
Well, y'all, we are no longer together. We're still trying to keep this page going for you guys. We're still going best friends, but I can't hide it from y'all no more. So today was kind of hard, you know, trying to fake like this is my fiance. I'm laughing, y'all, but it's not funny. Like, it's not. So I just want to keep a smile on my face. But that's the truth. Y'all, we not together no more. On a serious note, y'all, I'm sorry. The real reason why I'm laughing is because I called my auntie and she said something funny. So that's the only thing that's in my mind right now. But to be serious, y'all, there's no TNT Gang no more. So, I don't know if you want to take the channel? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Babe. Are you really crying? You knew this, though.
No, I did not. I never said that I didn't want to be with you anymore. That's never what I even said. I didn't say anything like that.
Are you really crying? Babe.
Don't call me babe if we're breaking up.
Say it over.
Don't call me babe if we're breaking up.
You knew we were.
No, I did not. I never said that though. I never said I wanted to break up with you. I never said that. I never said that.
Okay, well, y'all, we are. I just want to let y'all know that we're going to finish off this video cooking. But I'm not trying to be loud, y'all. But that's the truth, TNT Gang. I'm not wearing my ring. Yes, you haven't seen me wear my ring in a couple of videos, or maybe like 2 videos. Yep, I haven't been wearing my ring. I don't want you to cry a little bit.
Stop calling me that if you don't want to be with me. I never said that.
It's a habit. It's a habit. Why are you crying though? I thought you told me.
No, I did not tell you anything. I didn't say anything like that.
not gonna do this right here, right now. We'll explain later. Or I might go into the car and explain a little bit more. But I can't hide it from you guys. I don't know how. So I haven't been wearing my ring. And TJ, she don't have hers. Was. So I was trying to get her one. Yeah, I don't know. We just haven't been seeing eye to eye. And if we didn't figure it out, I don't want to be with you no more. What? Why are you not saying anything? Are you really crying? Why are you crying? What'd you tell me?
I never said anything.
It's not about that.
I never said anything.
Why?
Please leave me alone now.
Yeah.
I don't want to do this.
Because it was a prank. Yeah. She thought she could give me yesterday, y'all. I thought you couldn't. I don't know how to prank. Because I keep laughing. So I didn't know how you didn't be like, nah, this is a prank. Gotta be because you laughing. It was a prank. You better come back on her. I love you, babe. I would never. Ooh. Anywho, I would never, ever do that to her. Especially him. Especially when this person already going through a tough time. I don't have my ring on y'all because I just told y'all. Y'all know what I told y'all in previous video. I did make an intro saying that I was going to prank you. So if you want to go back and watch it, you can go back and watch it. But I didn't expect her. Y'all, she's actually crying. She's actually crying. I didn't do that when she did the cheating prank on me. Y'all, actually, she didn't act like that because she actually, you know, like I told y'all before, she's kind of going through not, life. You know what I'm saying? So maybe I was like, you shouldn't do this prank. But yesterday I was going through life as well. She decided to prank me, so I don't even say that. But I'm gonna go back to making, I'm gonna go back in the kitchen. See y'all soon. Yo, she's okay now. Come on. You supposed to be like, TJ. Come on. Talk to them. They want to hear from you. You want to talk smack, but you want to use my lotion. How'd that work? Tell them. Talk to them, baby. Tell them. Pop your stuff. One time for one time.
No.
Say, Team Naia. Aww. I love you. Come here. So act like they're on camera.
You don't love me.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I'll forever love you. This is a forever love. Come here. I love you. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you. I'm not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. It's TNZ against the world, you guys. Naia. Yeah, That's mean. Don't you ever push me again. Thought this was. Because this ain't that. Whatever that you thought this was. I know what that mean. You know what that mean when she pop her knuckles like that? What that mean? Talk to him.
Coming back.
Let me wipe her nose. For being rude.
I'm coming back.
Okay. Because you want to start prank wars. That's what you wanted to do? That's what you wanted to do? You started this. I didn't say. I said start next year. What you want to start now? Nothing else to be said. Let's go back into cooking, y'all, for real. I might make TJ a slushy. Oh, sure. Might be a little loud, but The potato's still boiling, and I need to wait till that's done. I am. They hear me. The speaker right here. The speaker is right here. We're gonna use this. It's gonna be loud, so they're gonna do it, guys. Yeah. Deep freezer. Okay. Slushies are better than milkshakes. Yeah. Same thing as a bear. Just the bear's not funny. No, it's not. Yeah. That should be enough though. Alright. It's ice in here, and now we're gonna put juice in here, like a little bit. And we're gonna just slush it up. I might need more ice because I think this is good. We shall see more ice. Let's see. It looks like this. Okay. Make sure you guys, put it on tight. You ready? And 3, 2, 1. It didn't click. Already. Looks like a freaking milkshake.
Because you put a lot of juice in it. I didn't. I just put more juice in it and put more juice in it.
It's so water. If I do, I need a lot of ice. I must put a lot of ice.
No, no juice.
That's what you're doing. Just taste water down.
Juice in the juice.
Really? Water down. Where's your take your straw and watch it sit. So actually, it's water down.
It's actually really easy.
It's like watermelon. Sure did. It's a little warm, right? So I want to stop. So I gotta blend it again.
What do you think?
You blend it again.
Yeah. What you want me to do for ice?
We shall see. This is a good cookie. Taste and see. Oh, taste and see. Oh, taste and see. Like a freaking. That looks like strawberry. Like, it looks like strawberry milkshake. The ice with the dot. You can have it. Trying to help you out. Hey, boy.
Yeah.
It's on my nipple. Okay. Ah! It's cold. About another 10 minutes and it should be done. It's been boiling for about like 20 minutes. Oh, Mom like that one. You like that? You like that? No, I can't remember. I'm gonna do you. We'll be back. Alright, y'all. The potatoes are done. Don't mind me, I'm going to eat ice cream. Not sponsored, but we can. Okay. Take over here, y'all. I'm gonna put cold water on this.
How are you looking like this?
Cause I can't peel it in my hands. I'll just put cold water on now. I put the sweet potatoes in the thing, so I'm gonna dump the water out and then. TJ's trying to open the It's fine. The
You want me to get it out?
It's fine. The thing for me, so.
You need two of them open?
Can't get into my own phone. Alright, we need brown sugar. I don't know why I just did that.
Enough.
It says half of a cup, y'all.
Half?
Yep. Half. Brown sugar.
Sorry
Hope
if
it
it gets a
don't
little
spill
messy.
anywhere. If it don't get messy, you're not doing it right. You're not
If it don't?
cooking right. If it don't get messy, you're not cooking it right.
So if they two what's it called, dimmer? It's not right?
No. That's half brown sugar. And it's asking for half of sugar. But we're going to try to do the best we can with this little bit of sugar we have.
Yeah.
The cream cheese filling.
Oh, you don't have to do that?
It's already late.
Oh.
Okay, y'all. Half cup of sugar. Because I ain't trying to use a lot. Till we get more sugar. Two soft. I only got one.
You need another one?
Yeah.
Just asking like this and just open it.
Yeah, I don't have a cup of cream, so I'm just gonna use this.
I'm gonna like
condensed
touch
milk.
it.
Just
Just like this.
Yeah, wash your hands.
Oh. I ain't gonna lie, that did burn.
Yeah.
Oh, you need to
Scrape it. Like scrape it like this. Scrape. I don't know why we used the other cup. Alright, y'all. There's another one. We used two soften. Okay. Use water. Alright. Just a little bit of excuse me. We don't have vanilla.
So now use lemon, and it's actually good. You would think
like a hint of lemon. Like I barely tasted it for.
Yeah. Just put a little
bit.
Not too much.
Not too much.
It actually smells like it.
Actually smells like lemonade. Oh shoot.
What? Who want that? Sorry.
It's not you. I was trying to figure out
You want me to bring the crust out or what?
what?
The crust thing.
No, not yet.
Oh.
I need to make sure it runs. Oh, what the? Oh.
You could have just did the way you did
I
last
got
time.
it. Oh yeah, I'm finna mix it, cause better.
Sorry if it's loud.
It's not gonna be loud.
Did you need another key?
No, mixing seed.
You did it the way you did it last time. You probably did it faster. Okay. No, that's good.
Sorry.
You need more sugar.
Wait, why am I mixing it knowing dang well
What?
I didn't finish?
You didn't finish?
Like, it was missing something.
What?
I'm gonna do everything before adding the eggs. I need a pinch of salt. I'm sorry. My bad. Y'all be missing a little bit of something. We need a pinch of salt.
We have put more sugar in there too.
I know.
You might need a little bit more of that.
But there's no missing any sugar.
If I taste it, I know.
Okay, this is a pinch of salt, yo. Little
Yeah,
pinch.
you need that salt.
You really taste salt.
I hate salt. One thing about TJ, one thing about TJ,
Okay,
we don't hate
nutmeg. To your liking, y'all. To your liking. Put a little bit. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon in a minute. Put a little bit in there. I'm gonna put a lot of
And a little bit of ginger. Ground ginger. Okay.
Maybe that's a little too much. Oh.
Watch me work my magic. Sugar.
I knew it. I knew it.
Yes.
More.
Okay, that's enough. The sweeter the better.
Yeah.
Really?
What? I do.
What do you think about this?
I feel like I need more sugar. That's
Brown sugar?
Sugar.
Brown sugar?
Sugar, not brown sugar. Or do you want to put a little bit more?
I thought brown sugar was sweeter.
No, sugar's sweeter.
Word? Let me see.
I think so. No, brown sugar is so. Wait. It look at need more sugar.
No.
You think?
I taste a lot of sugar.
You think you need more brown sugar?
Look, come here. Just take the
I just.
taste the whole thing. It's okay. It's warm. I think if it was cold, it'd be better.
Probably
Brown sugar?
a little bit more.
Yeah, we did the ingredients like I told you. Maybe because it's really hot.
Or should we put like a little bit more mixture of sugar and brown sugar? You think so? You think?
I'm trying to get this right, y'all. The first time I did it right, but gotta add to your liking. Recital on Mondays. This is out of school.
Probably next week.
What recital was that? She said for the kids. What kids do you know I got a recital? Brown sugar is sweeter. I think it's because it needs to be cold.
No. I think a little tinge more sugar in there, cause you could. It's like the brown sugar was.
It's hot. I don't like that.
I think the brown sugar was kind of overriding a little bit.
You must put like a little bit more cinnamon in it.
Nah, I didn't like the cinnamon part.
Okay.
I didn't need to.
Okay, y'all. That's good. We didn't need too much. I think the first time it was alright, but TJ said she wanted a little bit more sugar. And now I'm with a little bit more cinnamon. Just a little bit more. I think we'll be done. We're gonna add the egg.
Yeah. We just put a little. Yeah.
It makes it better.
It is.
Smack your lips. Okay.
I feel like this. I'm not really a cinnamon person. I don't know.
I think it's alright. I think it's just me cold because that's too much like going on.
Last time it was like a cool temperature. Which you need one there?
I'm gonna put it into a cup and put it for tomorrow. What's like hurt from all that? Alright, y'all.
For tomorrow.
Yes, like 2 more in there. You need more one if you can use it for yams. Alright, y'all. We need.
Oh no,
we
you
need
need
eggs.
yams.
We need eggs and you.
Y'all.
2 eggs. I didn't make them. I made this.
That's why I say you should make them. Cause it no.
Is it 2 eggs or 1 before I crack this?
What do y'all use for yams? I want to know. Let me know. Let us know in the comments. And did y'all enjoy Thanksgiving? Did we enjoy Thanksgiving?
I enjoyed it immensely. I think it was like a big
it was
showcase. You asked me, right?
Yeah.
It was a big showcase of basically our cooking and seeing what I can do versus mama. I think
next year we're gonna definitely do a video for y'all because we didn't get to do it. And
I felt bad. I was thinking about doing it, but it was too much going on, y'all. I had too much emotions in me.
Next year
it was just really bad, but you know, to God be the glory.
Next year we'll definitely do it for y'all.
Alright, y'all. The eggs still good. You gonna make this? Oh yeah. Alright, y'all. My bad. 350. Until then, we're gonna get the pie crust. I'm gonna put this milk in a cup. Is that what happens? Yeah. In a cup, yeah. I'm putting it in a cup.
I just didn't want nobody to say. Funyuns. Y'all like Funyuns? I like the hot ones. This is my second time.
Thank you for opening your milk for me.
One?
Okay, thank you. What does this taste like? Did you mean to drink this?
No, okay. What's cocoa?
Like titty milk.
Titty milk.
We should like breast milk.
We should know what breast milk
Whoa! Bro, try it.
is.
Oh!
No, I can't have it.
Oh!
This way tastes like breast milk. How do you know what breast milk tastes like?
That is awful.
One, baby.
I already had Funyuns.
This tastes like a whole egg.
That tastes like titty milk.
We should
And
know
I
what-
never even had a titty
Yeah, we
milk.
should know what that tastes like.
I never even had a titty in my mouth. And I don't even want to.
In the mouth. What?
But that's nasty.
Oh, you got nothing? Was it sweet or was it not sweet?
Sweet, it tastes like goat milk or something. Like, not that good. My auntie should have had a titty milk.
I'm going for all the country. What?
My auntie should have had a titty milk. I wonder if my teacher ever been breastfed. Have y'all been on breast milk or actual milk?
Breastfed.
Huh?
I wonder if I was breastfed.
You know dang well you wasn't breastfed.
How you know that? My mama breastfed my kaka
That's Kai Kai.
and probably Zay and my sister. I want to know if she breastfed me.
Y'all been on the titties?
You probably would.
Ah!
I'm pretty. It's not big.
Man,
I think she like a 40.
you my crust.
Probably her titty bigger than mine.
That's all.
She probably a 48. Yeek.
You're sucking on the titties. Ah! Mama said she know. Ah!
That's big. So she probably had a breastfeed all of us.
Dang. That explains a lot.
One kind
Treat you like the titties.
That explains a lot.
She sucking on my titty all the time. That explains a lot. No milk in there. You got some milk? Hello. You got some milk? You already did that. You got no more. Your breasts feel like what's something called bugles. Bro, don't get punched, bro. I hate people doing that.
Because I did. I don't like people doing that either. Like, get your stinking. And then these, why y'all make Funyuns taste like onions?
That's cute.
I'll be wondering.
And then it's shaped like an onion. Big. It's called onion. Read them. What did it say? Onion flavor. So yeah. Oh, y'all, I'm using graham cracker crust, and the rest of it I'm using
little minis,
like a little cupcake.
Y'all, unfortunately, guys,
I broke it. Y'all seen it
on the accident.
I literally moved it down some, and all of a sudden it was like, I'm using this.
You want me to come closer?
The camera person, you decide.
Look at her, look at her, look at her, look at... No. Not a guy.
Look at me. Wait, what's this? Oh, right here?
It beat.
That means it's done, y'all. Oh, what? Okay.
So she's taking it out. Ooh, I wish I could lick it. Sorry. Lick it like a lollipop. That's what he said.
Alright, bro.
Can I lick it?
Can you not? No, it's like strings.
Oh yeah, you didn't put eggs in it. I forgot.
Yeah. I use a scooper, y'all. That
Okay.
Mama Loki did not wash.
You know how you try to act okay for the camera? That's how I am right now behind this camera.
That's why you're behind the camera? That's why you're behind the camera?
Look at this.
That's what it looks like, y'all. Putting it in here.
Let me show you.
Maybe I should switch it.
Okay, you want me to show you while doing it?
Just show them what I'm doing.
Yeah, she's back.
I'm back. Y'all, I forgot to put the cheesecake. I already made the cheesecake filling because I made it already. So what we're going to do, we'll spray the oil.
This is a Naia Gray's cooking show.
I broke the stand. I didn't. Okay. I probably.
She accidentally, because she was trying to move it.
Fell, y'all. I didn't know it fell.
I'm like, oh shoot! I was trying to catch it before it was trying to fall, and then it just, yeah.
Okay. Y'all gonna put this over here?
Look, I'm trying to catch you.
Put it over here. Same thing I did to the pie. I'm gonna do it right here. After a while, and I start like mixing it or whatever. So what you do is you take a toothpick. It's for my business stuff, but and we'll get the cream cheese filling, which it is a little warmed up now. That's been sitting out, and I'm gonna get a spoon.
That's there.
Got eggs in this bitch.
Yeah, after this, you're going to have to definitely throw it out. Should be.
It's nice, whatever. Alright, y'all. What I do is I use like this. I do like, maybe like, don't mind all these dishes and stuff. It's clean. If it's messed up, I'll wash it over. Like 4 drops.
I like all that cream.
This is cream cheese filling, y'all. Cream cheese filling.
I love cream.
This is its own ingredients.
Yeah, the cream.
And don't just do.
Make it go round and round and.
Alright. I'm gonna show y'all what to do. Alright. So you get that, right? Take toothpick and just design it. Don't mix it. Don't actually mix it. Just, play with it a little bit.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, we're not gonna say that.
Just put the camera on me. Don't believe nothing TJ's saying.
Why? Everybody know what I'm talking about.
They don't need to know. That's the thing. Alright, this is what it looks like, y'all. That's what it look like. I'm gonna put it right there.
Y'all know me so tempted to say something.
Alright.
She's finna put it in the oven.
I'm finna put it in the oven. I don't know how long this
I'm not gonna lie, now I'm gonna have to say that pie gonna be for us. I ain't gonna have to lie. For real?
Sure.
I'm gonna take the whole pie and eat it. Y'all think I'm playing? Can I take the whole pie and eat it?
Of course you can.
But I can't because I have to put it in the refrigerator.
Alright.
Is it refrigerator or refrigerator?
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Yeah, guys. What? You scared?
What? No, I'm not scared. Okay, that's fine. Leave it in there for an hour, y'all. 45 minutes to an hour.
You tell them, look at them and say, you okay? You good?
My heart is beating. Like, I don't like that stuff.
Okay.
Aim to this, okay? Alright, take a little bit right here. I'm gonna do like 2 scoops each. You can start designing it.
My knee, but no, you heard that.
I'm scared, like seriously.
Okay, guys. So let me put it in there. Y'all make sure y'all do this because this is what they taught us in school. You go like this.
Got her knee cracked. Talk about me no more.
Not too much.
Can't talk about me no more.
Okay. Oh, I'm scared. Ain't gonna lie.
Shove it in there.
Put it in there. Like that. Take it.
Yeah, you did it. Now we gotta clean up. It's done. It's a finished product.
Look at that.
It's done. Make sure you guys put it in the
Refrigerator.
for an hour. Or
Cool down. Yeah.
Then you can eat.
Period.
So nobody eat this. Okay?
You hear this?
Y'all can eat.
You know what I'm saying.
I'm scared. Go back home. Go inside. Don't burn yourself.
You got it.
Ooh.
Ooh, it looks so good. Think she got this one? Bro, alright, now you. Oh. Bro, you're done. Look at that. Ooh. That actually looks so freaking good. Very fine.